Hey everyone, today I'll be demonstrating the Flask and MySQL project for homework 1. So here I will show you how I completed the required tasks such as creating a table, inserting data from the web, and also verifying it in MySQL. So I will start off by opening my MacBook's terminal here and opening MySQL. And then I will enter my password and change the database and then show tables. And here we have 4 tables that I have created in MySQL, and it is displayed in the MacBook's terminal. And then we will go to the VS Code. Here I've created 3 main codes for the website. Here we have app.python, we also have index.html, and then the last one, the show HTML for the main output of the web. And then we will just open VS Code's terminal and start the website. And then after we run the code, we will get this link right here, and when we click it, it will take us straight to the website. So this is the website that I have created. Here we have employee ID, employee full name, first name, and last name, and we also have an add employee button here. So for example, let's say I type in the ID, let's say 111, and then here, this is my full name, and this is the first name, and this is the last name. And when we click add employee, the data is sent to Flask, which runs in insert SQL query to MySQL. So I can then press OK, and it will take me directly to the show records page. So this page displays all the rows currently in the employee table. As you can see, the new record that I just added appears immediately in the table. We can also add a new employee. Let's say the employee ID is 222, and then we'll use my name again, add employee, OK, and here it will be displayed in the employee records. I also added a delete feature. So on the show records page, each row has a delete button. So if I click delete on a record, let's say I delete this one, and when I press OK, Flask runs a delete SQL query, so it removes it from MySQL, and then the page refreshes to confirm that the record is gone. So let's say I press OK, and then the record is gone, and we can go back to add new employee, and we can add as much as employee as we want. So to recap, I verified the employee table, and it exists in MySQL using show tables and desk employee. I also built an insert page to input records through the web, and then verified the data is visible in MySQL and displayed on the show records page. And then the additional function, I also added a delete feature so records can be removed as well. So that completes the demo of my project. Thank you for listening.